Students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teacher Modern English of Kulkunti Nagar, Nevada. Today I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 7b. Example number 16 to 24. Okay. So, first example 16 of exercise 7b. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. In a triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and AD square equal to BD into CD. Prove that angle BAC equal to 90 degree. Okay. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. AD square equal to BD into CD. AD square equal to BD into CD. So, let's start. A triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular to BC and AD square equal to BD into CD. Okay. To prove that angle BAC equal to 90 degree. BAC equal to 90 degree. Now prove. First of all, AD square equal to BD into CD. AD square equal to BD into CD given. Okay. So we write AD multiply AD equal to BD into CD. Okay. So BD by AD, BD by AD, BD by AD and AD by CD equal to BD by AD. Okay. Now in triangle BDA, in triangle BDA and triangle ADC. In triangle BDA and triangle ADC. Okay. So angle BDA equal to angle ADC. Angle ADC equal to 90 degree. And AD by CD equal to BD by AD. BD by AD. So students, BD by AD, find angle and angle BAD, BDA. So these angles and BD by AD, find and including angle, and BD by AD and AD by CD, AD and CD including angle ADC. So triangle BDA is similar to triangle ADC. Find angle find. Okay. B equal to angle 2 and angle C equal to angle 1 and adding both sides. So angle B plus angle C equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. Angle B plus angle C and angle 2 plus angle 1. So angle 2 plus angle 1 equal to angle A. Okay. So angle B plus angle C equal to angle A. Adding angle A on both sides. Okay. Adding angle A on both sides. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C, either 2 angle A. Okay. Then 2 angle A equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. We know that sum of the angles of a triangle 180 degree. For 2 is 90. For angle A equal to 90 degree. Next examples of exercise 7b is 17 number. Important examples. In the given figure, PA, QB and RC. Students, PA, QB and RC. That is the PA, that is the QB and RC. Each is perpendicular to AC. Each is perpendicular. So each is perpendicular to AC. Okay. Such that कि PA equal to X, RC equal to Y, and QB equal to Z, AB equal to A, and BC equal to B. Prove that कि 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Okay. So first of all, let's start. Students, PA and QB, okay, in triangle PAC. First of all, in triangle PAC, PA and QB is perpendicular to AC. PA and QB is perpendicular to AC. Then we say that कि QB is parallel to PA. Okay, so since PA and QB is perpendicular to AC, then we say that कि QB is parallel to PA. Okay, QB is parallel to PA. If QB is parallel to PA, then we say that कि angle CQB is equal to angle CPA. Okay, corresponding angles. The two parallel lines is cut by a transversal CP, then these angles are equal by corresponding angles. And next, these angles is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. Okay, these are also corresponding angles. So first of all, in triangle PAC, and triangle QBC, okay, naming of students, angle P is equal to angle Q, and angle A is equal to angle B, and angle C is common. Then PAC, naming of the triangle PAC and triangle QBC, because angle P is equal to angle Q, angle A is equal to angle B, and angle C is equal to angle C. Okay, so in triangle PAC and triangle QBC, so angle CPA equal to angle CQB corresponding angles, okay, and angle PAC equal to angle QBC equal to 90 degree. These are also corresponding angles. Okay, these are also corresponding angles. And then we say that the triangle PAC is similar to triangle QBC, angle similarity. Okay, if triangle PAC is similar to triangle QBC, then corresponding sides are proportional on both triangles. So PA by QB equal to AC by BC. Okay, students, PA angle C के ठीक सामने वाला साइड क्या है? PA एंड एंगल फी इस ट्रायंगल में भी एंगल फी के ही इक्वल है, फॉर इस ट्रायंगल के ठीक सामने वाला साइड QB, फॉर PA by QB, PA and QB are the corresponding sides and the ratio of the PA by QB is equal to the AC by BC and AC is the angle P, the opposite sides of angle P. AC and angle P in other triangle is equal to angle Q and the opposite side of the angle Q is BC, then AC by BC. Okay, so PA equal to X divided by QB equal to Z. Okay, equal to AC equal to A plus B divided by BC B. So इसको लिख सकते हैं Z by X equal to B by A plus B, inverse of both side equation first. Okay students, now since QB and RC is perpendicular to AC, in triangle QBA and triangle RCA okay, QBA yeah, RCA and triangle QBA. Okay, so RCA QB is parallel to RC, then these angles equal to these angles, corresponding angles by corresponding angles, and these are 90 degree and 90, these are also corresponding angles. So angle AQB equal to angle ARC corresponding angles, and angle QBA equal to angle RCA equal to 90 degree. These are also corresponding angles. These angles are also corresponding angles. So in triangle RCA is similar to triangle QBA. Okay, so RCA triangle QBA similar, it means QB RCA, RC by sides are proportional, RC by QB equal to AC by BC, AC by AB. Okay, RC equal to by QB equal to Z equal to AC equal to A plus B by A. Okay, and that is the inverse of both sides. Z by equal to inverse of both sides, Z by equal to A by A plus B, equation 2. Okay, so now from equation 1 and 2 by adding by X plus Z by LHS and RHS, B by A plus B plus A by A plus B. Okay, so Z is common, then 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to take LCM A plus B and B plus A, so that is cancelled, and 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Okay, next example 19 of exercise 7b. Okay, in the given figure angle ACB equal to 90 degree, ACB equal to 90 degree, that angle is 90 degree, and CD perpendicular to AB, CD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, prove that CD square equal to BD into AB. So let's start solution. A triangle CAB angle ACB equal to 90 degree and CD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, to prove that CD square equal to BD into AD. Okay, CD square equal to BD into AD. Let's start proof. Okay, in proof, in right triangle ADC, is right triangle, that is a 90 degree, then angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. And in triangle ACB, okay, for angle 1 plus angle 3, देखिए ACB is the right triangle, क्योंकि angle C equal to 90 degree, angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. RHF is equal, then LHF is also equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 is cancelled, so angle 2 equal to angle 3. Clear? Angle 2 equal to angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Now in triangle ADC, and triangle CDB. Okay, so first triangle 2 equal to angle 3. ADC means this angle is equal to this angle. Angle 2 equal to angle 3. Okay, and angle ADC equal to angle CDB. Angle CDB equal to 90 degree. Then we say that triangle ADC is similar triangle CDB. Angle similarity. Okay, ADC is similar to triangle CDB. Then we write AD. The opposite side of this angle is AD by, and the opposite side of this angle is CD. So CD equal to, the opposite side of this angle 1 is CD by, and the opposite side of this angle is BD. Because angle 2 equal to angle 3 and angle 1 equal to angle DCB. Then by cross multiplication, CD square equal to AD into BD. Number 21, example of exercise 7b. So in a triangle ABC, first of all we draw a diagram. ABC. In a triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, and D is a point on AC, such that, इस प्रकार कि BC square equal to AC into DC. Join BD, prove that BD equal to BC. So solution: given a triangle ABC, in which AB equal to AC and D is a point on AC, and AC, such that BC square equal to AC into DC. Then prove that BD equal to BC. BD equal to BC. BD equal to BC. Now let's start proof. Proof BC square. BC square equal to AC into DC given in the questions. Okay. So BC by AC equal to DC by BC. BC by AC equal to BC by DC equal to AC by BC. BC by DC equal to AC by BC. Okay. So in triangle ABC and BDC, in triangle ABC and triangle BDC, in triangle ABC and triangle BDC, ABC and BDC. So angle C equal to angle C, angle C ABC में C है and BDC में C है. Triangle C equal to angle C is common and BC by DC equal to AC by BC. BC by DC. So BC is the opposite side of this angle and DC in this triangle opposite side of angle DBC. Okay, it means angle A equal to angle DBC and AC by BC. AC is the triangle ABC is the opposite sides of angle B. Okay, and BC is the opposite sides of angle BDC. So angle B equal to angle BDC. Okay, now angle C and BC by DC, BC and DC including angle C. So side angle side triangle is similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC side angle side criteria. Okay, so in triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC, then we say that the corresponding sides of both triangles are proportional. So we write AC by BC, AC the opposite sides of angle B in triangle ABC, and by BC the opposite sides of the angle D is equal to angle A, opposite sides of the angle BDC. So this angle is equal to this angle. Then AC by BC and प्रूव करना है BD and BC. So BD is the opposite sides of angle C and AB is the opposite sides of angle C. Then AB by BD. Okay. Now students understand, in both triangles, a triangle ABC and triangle BDC. So angle A is equal to angle DBC, this angle, and angle ABC is equal to angle BDC, and angle C is common. Okay. Then AC by BC equal to AC by BD, because put the value of AB equal to AC. So AB equal to AC is given. So AC is cancelled by cross multiplication. BC equal to BD. BC equal to BD. True.